Ferraris, and welcome to a new video. Today we are doing Will You Press the Button? We don't know, or we will. So I've seen Jacksepticeye and Markiplier and all these people doing it, and I thought it's a bit better because you actually got these kind of options. And yeah, basically there's part 2, there's part 3, and maybe a part 4. But there's a surprise. If I get 2 likes and I get at least 15 views, I will do a challenge with a face cam and a guest. Maybe my cousins or just my friends. So, that's as a little surprise, okay? So, enough wasting time and let's get into this. So, you will gain any superpowers you wish. Ooh. But your best friends will also get powers, but will become your enemies, leaving you without friends. I will not. 48% have pressed this button and 52 did not. Yeah, so that one's a good one. Alright. Gain the ability of having 9 lives, but you die a lot easier than you normally would. No. 50-50. Ooh. Yeah, that one's a bad one. Because, to be honest, your fictional character where you have the biggest crush on or you, what? Like the most will come to live life. You can also desire how you will look. There's a double L, but after you, okay, no, because this 54 pressed did not exactly. That's a bad one. Who would do that? You gain the ability to teleport anywhere at any time. Ooh, that's useful. But every time you do teleport, you have to use the restroom immediately. What the heck? Why not? I mean, I can just teleport to that place in a restroom. So yeah. Yeah, I got it right. That was a good one. You can eat dinner with in a what? In a phone, but you have to spend what? No, I will not. So exactly. Like, why would you press it? That was a bad one. You can play any instrument you want just by looking at it, but Sarah Jessica Parker is always staring at you from a far distance, and nobody else can see her. That is not a bad thing. A bit weird, but still, I could play any instrument, so yeah. Exactly. That one's a good. Fine, with horses staring at me. What? You will become very sporty, but you can't eat fast food ever again. Easy peasy, I don't eat fast food anyways. Yeah, exactly. That's a good one. Exactly. Someone said I don't see the down part of it. Yeah, neither do I. You get all the power you ever desired, but you have to fight the skeleton from He-Man. You cannot win, you fool. Don't even try. Then what's the point? Jesus. Oh, I see the bad thing. Okay, power. John Negwin says, "Power, immortal, Death Note, oh my God, can't kill me if he tried." Okay, that was a bad one. You can play any song on any instrument perfectly. But you are the only one who can hear it when you play. What's the point of that then? Exactly. It's bad. You will get your dream girl. I am a girl anyways. But she will die within a year. No. Exactly. Is it sad I thought of Sam What the? I don't know. Oh, God, these people. Okay. You can live in the house of your dreams, but you can't go outside. Then the house of my dreams would have to be the biggest thing ever. No, I'm not. What? Okay, Really? Really? What's outside? Okay, I'll be like, so you can live in the house of your dreams, but you can't go outside. And then my friend comes along, Braden Boyd. What's outside? I'll be like, what? No. So no, bad, bad, bad. You can shapeshift into anything, anyone, at any time and back. But any clothes you were wearing will disintegrate, leaving you naked as whatever you transform into. That is really weird. No, thank you. 82. I mean, I would like it, but if everything you wear disintegrates, come on. Bad. You gain the ability to forget things, allowing any experience to feel new and exciting. But you get Alzheimer's when you're 40. No! That is bad. Bad. 25%. That 25% is dumb. You can teleport to any place of your choosing, including fictional dimensions. But you can never be in the same place for more than a week at a time. Of course I would do that. Bad. Good, sorry. I went away for a second. World peace is achieved. Yes, finally. But sci-fi, country, rock, and metal music, video games, and books are abolished. Even video games? I'll still do it because I'm a good person. What is wrong with you people? World peace tried to kill the metal, but it failed as it was stricken down to the ground. What? That's awesome, yeah. And this Amanda Robles. I need video games. So do I, but how would I communicate to you and I would just be talking to nothing? So bad and good. No, I meant to say good. It's bad and good. You find out what happens to you after you die and can prove it, but what you find out causes mass panic around the globe. As a result, there is no physical contact. No! Exactly, bad. You are capable of summoning any famous historical figure to aid you in any task, but they will be removed from their period in time, altering history. I don't want to spoil history, so. Yeah, exactly. Are you kidding? Do you know? Oh, I didn't get to read that guy's message. You can modify yourself physically as you want any part of your body, but your IQ will drop down dramatically. I bet a bunch of those people that get plastic surgery did, but I'm a potato. Really? No. A starving third world country no longer has severe problems, hunger, disease, etc., and becomes a developed nation. But all the people within two other third world countries with the same problems die. This one's difficult because I would like to help a third world country so that there's no severe problems with hunger, diseases, etc., like Ebola and all that. But then the same problems will come to the two of the other third world countries, and they will die. No, I will not. We'll live together, but still. Exactly, that's a bad one. I don't like it. You are the fastest man or woman on the planet, but you last 10 seconds in bed. What do you mean? To sleep? I don't get that, but I'll press it anyways. I didn't get that, so I'll just put bad. You will fall into the arms of the love of your life, but you will both die after 1 month passes. I think that the love of my life would last anyways without this, so yeah, I will not. Bad, bad, bad. You are super intelligent, but you must face life-threatening experiences every day. Sorry. That's bad. You are irresistible to anyone you desire, but you may only hear the song you hate the most for the rest of your life. Don't care. Why didn't you? May means not must. What? Damn it. Should have read it better. I don't get what you mean. Okay. Bad, but bad. Bad and good. You can fly, but while in the air, you poop every 3 seconds, kind of like a bird. I want to fly. I don't really care. I don't care. I want to fly anyways. Woo! Pooping around people. Poop party. Okay, whatever. You will go to an eternal paradise, but your family will never know what happened to you. I'll just tell them on the way back. It doesn't say that I cannot tell them, so that's a good one. Wait, eternal, but it doesn't say that I can find out a way to go back. You have the power to have a time remote, pause, rewind, fast forward, etc. But you will have to relive the worst things that has ever happened to you twice. No, but yes, at the same time. Yeah, exactly. That's good. Your teeth will what? Well, I have to end it here. Thank you all so much for watching. Subscribe for more. I'll see you all in the next video. Forget Lambo, stay Ferrari, and peace. See you later.